Here are the solutions to the two logarithms worksheets that I gave you guys the other day. I think the first one is pretty self-explanatory. There's really no work involved, so I'm just going to have you pause the video to look these over. But when we get to the properties of logarithms, I'm going to go over each one in detail. So for 2 through 20, you were given a logarithmic equation and you just had to rewrite it in exponential form. So this is just to verify that if we have something of log base b of n is equal to p, rewriting it, we take our base to our power, so p is our exponent and n is the number it equals. So if you need more time, just pause the video. Here's the second side of this, where we had to go from exponential form to logarithmic form. Pause the video to check your answers. One thing I will point out, though, is make sure the base looks like a little subscript here. So we have log base 17 of 289 equals 2. That 17 should not look like it's up here with the 289. It should look like a subscript of the logarithmic function. And pause the video if you still need more time. All right, some of the problems on the properties of logarithms worksheet were a little simple, but I'm still going to go over each one. So we had to just expand this. We don't want to just say it's log 15. We want to expand each logarithm. So this is using that first property. We could just rewrite this as log, and this is base 10 of 5 plus log of 3. Now for 4, we could first rewrite this as log of 3 plus log of 2 cubed, and then this exponent comes down in front, so we get log, again, at base 10 of 3, and then plus 3 log 2. Now if you were comfortable enough, you could have gone straight to that final answer. A couple ways to look at number 6. I'm going to do this, though. I'm going to say log of 6 to the 6th over 5 to the 6th. So now when I go to separate this, I'm going to subtract. We're going to have log, again, base 10 of 6 to the 6th plus log of 5 to the 6th. Now the 6's can come down, so we get 6 log of 6 plus 6 log of 5. Number 8, we could square each factor in here, so we could have log of a squared times b squared. So now this becomes log of a squared plus log of b squared. And then we have, bring down the 2, so 2 log a plus 2 log b. Okay, for 10, we're going to start by subtracting. We have log of x minus log of y to the 5th, and then that 5 comes down in front, so log of x minus 5 log y. Now for 12, that square only goes to z, so this becomes log of x plus log of y plus, that 2 could come down in front, 2 log of z. Or first you could write it as plus 2 log z squared, and then 2 log, or plus log z squared, and then bring that 2 down in front, so plus 2 log z. Now the ones on the back were a little more challenging. 14 and 18 are very similar. Notice this isn't log of 6 over 3, it's log 6 over 3, which can actually be written as 1/3 log base 10 of 6. And the only thing to really do here, it's not that this is expanded, but we want to write it as a single logarithm, so seeing log of something combined together. So this becomes log of 6 to the 1/3. You could leave it this way, or it's also log of the cube root of 6. So either one of those are fine. 16 hopefully found to be easy. It's just log of 2 times 11 times 7. We don't actually have to multiply those together. Like I said, 18 was a lot like 14, so we could say this is 2/3 log base 10 of 7. So to rewrite this, we just say log of 7 to the 2/3, or it's the cube root of 7 squared. Now number 20, I didn't mention this yet, but this is an ln. This is a natural log. It's just, if you explore this any further in any future classes, it's just log base e. So it takes on the same properties as logarithms. So all this means is we write ln instead of log. So this becomes the natural log of x, and then this 4 is going to go up here for the exponent, so it's over y to the 4th. For 22, now we have a base 3, so we have log base 3. Since we're subtracting, we'll have u up top, then we'll have v to the 5th in our denominator. And likewise for 24, we'll have log base 3, we'll have a fraction, in our numerator we'll have u to the 4th, in our denominator we'll have v to the 20th. And then number 26 was under the critical thinking question. So if you look back at the three properties, this is expanded form. We did not have a property that said log base b of m times log base b of n. There is no property that says we could do anything with this. So this cannot be simplified any further. If it said log x plus log 2, then we would be able to say it's log of 2 times x. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Starting today, you'll have from today till Tuesday to work on the Delta Math assignment. Let me know if you have any questions logging into Delta Math, because it has been a while since I've assigned one of these.